Hello, COL 105 students. You have an assignment this week called the Critical Thinking Assignment, and I wanted to go over that assignment in detail with you. So to find the assignment, you would click on Course Content, and I would go to Week 10 folder. And in that folder, you will see that your learning objectives for this week is that you're going to research information on a controversial topic, and you're going to use the Greenville Tech College Library databases to do that. So I want to walk you through how to find that information and what you need to do to prepare for that assignment, as well as the online debate that will take place. So as you scroll down through this folder, you'll see that there is going to be a discussion post this week called Critical Thinking Drawbridge Exercise. A lot of students have fun with this one, so enjoy it. And then you'll see some videos here, links to videos on how to navigate the college library. So you'll want to go through and possibly use these links if you struggle with accessing the information. And then you're going to find information here on the critical thinking assignment. So I have gone ahead and selected the topic that you're going to be researching for this assignment, and the topic is Federal and State Governments Should Fund 2 years of tuition-free access to community, technical, and junior colleges. So what you're going to do for this assignment is you're going to research this topic, and you're going to prepare 5 points that support this statement and 5 points that oppose this statement. So then after you do your research and you find your 5 supporting statements and your 5 opposing statements, you will then submit those to me, and I'm going to show you how to prepare that. And then you're going to participate in the Critical Thinking online debate. In the debate, you're going to use the information from your research to post one argument either for or against that particular topic, and then you're going to respond to a minimum of 2 classmates' postings responding based on the information that you research. So we want to keep all of our information on the debate factual, backed by the evidence that you find while you do your research here in the critical thinking assignment. So to prepare for the critical thinking assignment, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this note card template, critical thinking. So I've already opened up that document, and let me share with you what that looks like. So here with the note, what you're going to do is prepare some note cards, and you're going to have 5 note cards that are for or supporting that particular topic. So you're here in the note cards, you're just going to type into the text box, and you really just want, 1, maybe 2 points that support, that the federal and state governments should provide tuition free for 2-year colleges. And so you're going to do 1 support here, then you're going to have 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you will provide a citation of where you got the information from these 5 statements. You can have more than one source here. You could just copy and paste the source citations into this text box. And then you're going to have 5 against, right? 5 statements that are supporting evidence against this statement, and then your citation here. So this is what you're going to submit for your critical thinking assignment. You're going to type the information into these note cards, and then you're going to submit this as your assignment. And then you'll go on to the discussion board to put your ideas out there, either for or against, and then respond to your classmates' postings, either supporting those postings or opposing them and providing a different perspective or point of view. So going back to the assignment itself, let me click back here. where do you go to get this information to do this research and prepare these note cards? Well, you go to the Opposing Viewpoints database, which is in the library at Greenville Tech. So you can access all of this online, and I want to show you how to do that. So a couple ways that you can access the library, and again, there are videos here that can help you with this. You can use GTC for Me. I have already logged into GTC for Me, and down here at the bottom under Quick Links is the library research guides. We're not going to use a research guide. What we're going to do is use a database. So I'm going to click at the top and select Databases, and I'm going to use the A to Z. And when I do that, I'm going to click on O, and then I get Opposing Viewpoints in Context Gale, and I'm going to select that. Now I have already logged into the system, but you will have to log in and verify that you are a Greenville Tech student. If you've already logged into GTC for Me, then that may be all the login that you need. But if you're asked to provide login, you either need to use a library card number from the Greenville Tech Library or use your student ID number. So you'll want to have that handy. So I'm going to, here in the search box, I am going to type college tuition and student loans. That's actually where this information is located. So I would go there, and it gives you a little overview here you can read about, and really it talks about how tuition costs have risen. Over the past 10 years, they have significantly risen, and as you know, college can be very, very expensive. And then when you click Read More, it takes you to more information. Now, you don't want to just use this article for your note cards. Although this is a good introductory article, what you'll find is that there's a lot of other information out here besides that. You have article contents here, related subjects. You have find all related articles, and if you click on that, it takes you to the bottom of the page, and you'll see there's a lot more information out here for this particular topic. Now, what's really nice about using this system is you can export your information to any of these. So if you want to download it to OneDrive or to Google Drive, you can do that. And then what's really nice is you have your source citation. So for the, and I have it, this is selected for MLA 8th edition, which we're going to use for this class. So you just basically can copy and paste this and then put that onto your note card, and you don't have to go through any other resources for your citations. So there's some good critical thinking questions that go through here in looking at this particular topic, and as I mentioned, there's a lot of other articles that you can explore in looking at this particular topic that we're looking at. So you're going to do your research. You're going to prepare your note cards. You'll submit your note cards as part of the critical thinking assignment, and then you'll participate in the online debate. And all of this is due by next Sunday at 11:59 p.m. November the 1st. Please email me if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy this assignment.